Sanity versus Strapi versus Contentful. Let's get started. So let's start with Sanity. Sanity is a real-time developer-focused CMS with customizable schemas, powerful APIs, and an open-source editing environment called the Sanity Studio. Strapi, on the other hand, is a fully open-source headless CMS based on Node.js, and it offers a complete control over APIs and content models with support for both REST and GraphQL. And Contentful is a commercial enterprise-grade CMS known for its stability, scalability, and polished UI, commonly used by large organizations. So let's talk about their pros and cons. Let's start with the Sanity. It offers a real-time collaboration. It also has a built-in image optimization and also has a customizable studio with a generous free tier, which is excellent for developers needing flexibility. And Strapi, on the other hand, is a fully open source and self-hostable. It also has the REST and the GraphQL API support. It's great for full control over backend and security, and it has a simple UI and admin dashboard. And then Contentful offers enterprise-ready with global CDN. It also has a slick UI for editors and non-devs. It also supports and documents platforms and also has a powerful localization feature, and it has an API first and scalability. So choose Sanity if you're a developer or agencies who want flexibility, speed, and real-time collaboration. And then choose Strapi if you want a fully open source, self-hostable CMS. And pick Contentful if you're building for enterprises, need robust APIs, and want a turnkey solution for content editors.